Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all some of my new favorite fall lippies, and the texture of these lipsticks are amazing. These are the new Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be swatching some of my favorites and trying them on for you all. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So we're getting right into it. I'm starting off with the first lippy, and I am loving this one. It's a really pretty pink color. I love it. The formula is amazing. I cannot stress that enough. This formula is unmatched. Like, I've never seen a liquid lipstick in a tube like this that has this powdery, this creamy texture, and it feels super soft, and it goes on the lips super smooth, and it also comes off super smooth. So it's not like the old MAC liquid lipsticks where you have to literally use oil to get them off of your lips. These come off so easy. All you have to do is get a paper towel or a piece of tissue and wipe. You don't have to wet it. You don't have to use any oil or anything like that. That's how soft these lipsticks are. They actually go on like the average like satin lipstick, but it's matte. So MAC, they really did the thing with this. They really did the thing with this. I want to thank them for sending these over. They sent the entire collection, but I just wanted to swatch some of my favorites because some of them are fairly the same. You know, they may have a lighter shade or a darker shade, but they may look very similar when you put it on. So I picked out my favorites. So that's why I said I wanted to swatch them for you all. This video is going to be really quick. So yeah, enough of me rambling. This video would have been longer if I had the audio on, because I did an intro and an outro and everything. But like in the last video I did, the microphone that I had was not connected properly or something. I still don't even know what was wrong, but I had to cut out all of that because the video was mute. Like, you couldn't hear me saying anything. I'm gonna fix that problem, don't worry. But yeah, so I wanted to show you all this. I still wanted to post this video because I feel like the quality was amazing. And like I said, I really, truly love these lipsticks. I would not be telling you all about them if I didn't, honestly. So this orange is popping too. So, and I actually use chestnut liner, a little bit of chestnut liner to line it if I needed any liner, because you know, oranges can sometimes be a little loud, but this color looks so beautiful on melanin. Like, all of these colors that I picked out look so amazing on all skin tones, but that melanin will have it popping. Okay, so again, I just want to say thank you all. This is not the end of the video, but still, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, like I said, and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Get this channel growing. You know, let's just get it up there, honey, because we have the quality, we have everything we need, and all we need is, you know, some support. So I think that's all we need. But I know that God has his hands around my career and around my goals, and I know that this channel will definitely start to pop off a little bit more like it did when I first started. So yes, that's just me manifesting and, you know, just speaking things into existence. Like I said, this is something I'm really passionate about, so I wanted to bring you all quality. I'm really, really big on that now, especially since, you know, I've upgraded my cameras and my lens and everything like that. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. So I'm also going to start more vlogging. So I'm going to be doing like an apartment tour and workouts and just more vlogging in general. So let me quit rambling and running my mouth. If y'all want to talk through video of me actually talking about my life and talking about different topics, then let me know, and I will definitely, you know, post those for you all as well. So hopefully y'all are loving these colors on my skin tone because I absolutely love them. And yeah, I just want to thank you all again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what lipsticks you like the best.